Now, imagine a place where you as a homeowner, landlord, property manager, or anybody that ever find themselves in need of a contractors get to go and find help when you need it and at a price that you're willing to pay. I'm here to show you there's an actual app there that does just that. And it's called All Better. And it's literally making that entire experience between customers and contractors all better. It's the only app in the market that lets consumers set the date and the time, as well as the budget, and the technology matches you with local contractors. Let me show you how it works. In this example, I posted a job where I needed some things done to a wood floor. The app allows me to enter a description, as well as upload or take a 30-second video explain what the issue is. And within a few minutes, I'm getting bids directly from local vetted contractors. Now, every contractors get to bid whatever they think it's a fair price. Now, the entire experience, they don't get to see my full address or my phone number, so there's a total privacy protection there. So if you like saving time, money, and reduce stress, head over to allbetterapp.com, download the free app, and enjoy an all better experience.